So we're making butter chicken. It's so easy because it comes in a paste. So this recipe will be really quick and simple. Now we have the chicken. We've got the potatoes, onion, garlic, the paste. And because we're not just making butter chicken, we're upping our game. We're making it in
the butter chicken.
Yes, the butter chicken puff. So we also have some puff pastry here. Yeah. Our butter chicken is done, so now we want to make it into a puff. We're going to put it in our puff pastry.
Can you teach me how to fold it, please?
You know, just like making dumplings, Chinese dumplings, very similar thing. So we have our cooled fillings, and we're just gonna, don't judge me. So here, we'll just put all the fillings. This is still steaming. Okay, so we're gonna egg wash them.
On the top?
Yep, just lightly. There we go, and you can egg wash the rest. We're going 190.
Ooh, looks nice. Yum, look at the color.
It looks so beautiful and it's flaky. Wow, look at that. Hungry yet?
I've been hungry for the whole day. Cheese.
Cheese.
Freedom.
It's so easy.
It's sweet. Is it sweet?
That's a mango chutney.
Oh, I like the combination with flour. Nice. How's your sauce?
So good. That's sweet as well. It's an eggplant pickle. That's good. So easy, so quick, and we can make a butter chicken.